What is smart computing?
Smart computing is a platform that streamlines building and running software on a dynamic, heterogeneous, and distributed infrastructure that extends from data centers to edge devices.
What is the challenge that smart computing solves?
Today's hyperconnectivity involving all things smart, for example, smart cars, smart factories, and so on, are part of the most dynamic, heterogeneous, and distributed infrastructure that software has to run on. As 5G rolls out, the size of the infrastructure will grow exponentially. The challenge is to tame the cost of building and operating software in this environment.
What is the solution that enables smart computing?
To do so means a fully managed computing platform that allows developers to build hardware-independent, highly scalable, and distributed software. At Taubyte, we've built that platform, the first smart computing platform.
What's the relation between smart computing and edge computing?
As they extend from data centers to edge devices, smart computing platforms fit into the edge computing paradigm. Because they are managed intelligently versus programmatically, attributes like low latency, data residency, and security are more optimized and less prone to human error.
Which industries could benefit from using smart computing first?
With over 27 billion active connected IoT devices and growing by more than 100 every second, industries like manufacturing and healthcare that heavily rely on IoT will benefit substantially from using smart computing instead of bespoke code and operation-heavy cloud-related approaches. I'm referring here to relying on centralized software architectures built on top of technologies like Kubernetes and containers.
What are the benefits of implementing smart computing?
The main benefit of using Taubyte smart computing platform instead of cloud or cloud-related approaches like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform is considerably reducing human resources and time to market.